Hello, good morning. It's Monday. It's 7:10. See it lying. I could, you know, if I was back on the trucks, it'd be like, oh, it's 3:10. No, it's 7:10. I'm raring to go. So, scrap run. Into the scrap yard. Oh, where's my wipers? There we go. Well, it's a tad moist. It's supposed to stop raining at 8. Yeah, it's supposed to stop raining at 8. But I'm still in my shorts. But I am thinking I might have to start wearing, like get grown up, start wearing proper trousers. Well, not like proper suit trousers, you know, because that'd be a bit much, wouldn't it? You know, but some heavy duty work trousers. Because at the moment, and maybe some long sleeve shirts, because at the moment, it looks like I'm a candidate for self-harming. I've got scratches and bruises all over the place. I only need to go a bit deeper and I can sever a vein. Mind you, I suppose trousers ain't going to do too much in that respect. Don't know, now to think about it, I'll wait until I hurt myself and then I'll go, yeah, I should have been wearing trousers. I suspect that's what will happen. Because it's just too hot to wear bloody trousers, isn't it? You know, I wear shorts during the winter. I went all last winter. I think the lowest temperature I got down to was -13. I did a trailer change at -12, still in my shorts. You know, I'm made of hardy stuff. Peter made a comment about my fat thighs. He didn't use the word fat. Oh, sign down. But, reminds me of the time I got out of this truck. My hair was all over the place. I don't even think I had it tied up at that stage. My hair was all over the place. There was these two blokes stood down the end of the truck waiting because I had to reverse into this unit, into the doors. So they were waiting for me outside, cut the seal, and they must have thought I was foreign or something, or at least couldn't hear. They said, the one turns to the other and he goes, fuck me, it looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. And I said, I am here, you know, can hear you. So we're going a slightly different way, just because the scrappies have been out, because there was 2 camping chairs down by that bus stop yesterday evening. I wasn't going to stop and pick them up, unless somebody just picked them up to see if they're all right, which they probably were. So there's a pair of them, both same colour. I don't think they open till 7:30. There's me going in at, I'll get there at 7:30. So I've got a few minutes to kill. Didn't bring any coffee with me. Plum. We've got some aluminium bicycle wheels in the front here, which is what you can hear rattling. You can hear a rattle. They go in this dirty aluminium. could clean them up further by taking all the spokes out, but what a ball ache that would be. Well, I'm going to go left here. And then I'm going to pull up in the car park up here. And I'll quickly show you the back. So this is Highcliffe. You don't get really to see the sea yet. You might be able to just see it if I park here. Straight ahead here. Look, there you go. See the sea. Right, I'm going to dismount you and then I'll put you back on again. Well, there you go. Don't know if you can hear me because it's a bit windy. But we've got filing cabinets all down there. There's another one there, big long one. That's my spanners, they're not getting thrown out. Those over there. Oop. I don't think I can get in the side door. We'll have a look. And I'll show you the sea. Oh yeah, we've had a bit of a... Yeah, no, we won't bother with that. Right, let's go up and have a look. Yo, blimey, it's a bit windy out there. There's a cafe just round there. Oh, right, okay, I'm going to turn you off and I'm going to get set up again. Speak to you in a minute. There you go, put you back on again. Get to see the sea. Oh yeah, nice little cafe there. Not particularly cheap though, from what I can remember. But, you know, you're paying to sit out there on a windy day. Bermuda Court. Some big houses down here on the left here. Most of them are flats, but there is the odd house. There's big houses all along here. I'd say a lot of these are flats, but there's the odd house dotted in between. See, that's the house. Flats, flats. Two houses. House. Monster of a house. It's one house. I think the gorgeous Kieran knows them. And then flats. And a whole load of bungalows around here, which is a nice place to live, close to the little town of Highcliffe, and 5-minute walk to the sea. Oaks. That used to be called what did that used to be called? Galleon? I don't know. Lord Bute. Never been in there. I know the gorgeous Kira's been in there. It's supposed to be alright. It's supposed to be nice. You can just hear that rattle off the wheels, can't you? I said I'd go scrap hunting on the way in, but I just can't get anything else in the back, as you can see. And I don't think I'm going to be able to show recording, so I don't know where to put the camera because I'm so full. I can't even stick it in the back. Can't even get the side door open. So the scrap wagon is a rattling. Taking it nice and steady. We're in no rush this morning. I think my first pickup's at 9. Not entirely sure where it is. I can't remember, but it's a tumble dryer. Should have made coffee. Idiot boy. Coming into Christchurch. There's Christchurch bypass we just went down. We're going up Barrack Road now. Now, interesting fact for you. You know the old World War II Bailey bridges, they were like of steel construction and they sort of, like Meccano, and they bolted together and you just bolted sections together. They were designed and built down here. Just outside of Christchurch. There's even a piece of bridge and a plaque. Although it's not very, it's a bit understated to be honest with you. It should be given a little bit more credit. Closed. Oh, is it market day? It's market day, isn't it? Christchurch Market. Good job I didn't come up through the town then. I didn't think about it. Circus is still there. Been there a while. So this is Barrack Road. The old guardhouse is still here. Never seen any pictures of it when it was in operation. I don't even know when it closed, to be totally honest with you. Or who was here even. Must have been Royal Engineers of some description, I suppose. $1.51. See, fuel prices are starting to creep back up again, aren't they? They went down, now they're starting to go, still a penny here, penny there. Starting to creep back up again. So the last couple of videos I've sort of, you got to guess the title of the video is sort of like tied in with the film. So there's over there on the left. I must get it on the way back. So there's a bit of Bailey Bridge there. It's just off on the entrance to the roundabout there. There's the tiniest of plaques. It looks like it's like an old hoarding that's got nothing on it. So most people drive by it and think absolutely nothing of it. Guarantee that. I think it's an old bit of scrap metal or something. No. That's where they made the Bailey Bridge. There's the guard room there. And in there was the camp. But, 'cause, 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 now going up to Wyford. We're less than a mile away. There's always a bit of traffic here. So this is, we're now in the Bournemouth. Straight round. Straight up the hill. Heading up towards Southbourne. Hopefully they're open by now. It's 7:34. See how many people are in. Straight down here. Trouble is you can't tell if the gates have opened or closed yet. You also got to remember there's junctions. I think they're open. Really hard to tell. Why are they closed? They're open. See how many people are in. Right, speak to you all later. Hello, so we just left the scrapyard. Empty van. Ugh. Okay, where's it taking me? Okay, so weighed and paid. We had light iron, but they class it all as shearing in there. Give one price. What are they paying on shearing? Right, they've done 11p. So where am I going here? Cross. So £110 a tonne. And there was how many kilos? 700 kilos. Never been round here before. So £77 for that. and then 6 kilos of Dirty Alley, which was the bike wheels, and that was £1.80. Just got them out of my way. Let's take up bloody route. So a total of 78.80, which is not bad for all shearing, you know, just metal really. Yep, good start of the week. Just from people that were going to throw it out, they want to get rid of it. Oh, speed bumps. So not too many collections today, which does give me time to strip stuff down, which is good. Could do with an easy day. I've got to try and find this place. It's not showing up. The postcode is, I've got the Brixie, I've got the road, name of the road, Brixie Road. And then I'm looking for, then I saw Brixie Gardens. Oh no, Brixie Mews. Oh, I left it. But I'm looking for Brixie Gardens, so it's got to be around there somewhere. Keep your eyes peeled, you never know what you might see. We've ever been down this far. Oh no, where we are. Yeah. Bournemouth football ground is just to my left, Kings Park. This is a bit of Boscombe. Is it Boscombe? I don't know if entirely it is. Well, we're not seeing much there, everything's sort of clamping up again. You drooped. And you don't want to be being a bit droopy, do you? You know? Well, the rain's eased off. I'm not wet. Can't for the life of me remember what part of town this is. It's scuzzy. Let's go straight on. And straight down towards the train station. Kind. Stay there, bus. Whoa. Start coming out on me. Down into the Bournemouth. Back down onto the Wessex Way. Right, I'll speak to you all later on. Hello, well we just picked up the tumble dryer. Strange address. I think it's when people like to be posher than they actually are. Oh, it's warm. Yeah. Quite slim pickings today. Who knows what treasures we may find along the way. I had a gorgeous kid said to me, "You're not taking the day off, you've been working flat out." And I said, yeah, but you know, sometimes I'm going to be quiet, and that's when I don't need to do much. But when it's busy, I'm not going to take a day off at the cost of losing out. Just wait until it gets a little bit quiet, and we'll have a look. We'll go from there. came in, I think, maybe. Takes me down Herbert Avenue. These speed bumps are a bit vicious. Got a car with a splitter on the front. You'd lightly rip it off. Turning right here. Nice man, let me out. Right until I stopped. Well, it's back the way we came. Back in towards Bournemouth. There's a little scrap man here. Buys bicycles and stuff, I think. Well, I don't know if he buys them. It says drop off your unmorted adult bikes here. Yeah. Oh, going left here. Where we doubled back the other day to check on something, and it was a fridge. Old Victorian brickwork here, isn't there? Look. might be. The one on the back's really short. Left here. Her seat needs to be higher. How high her knees are coming up. Branksome Wood Road. Oh, what number do I want? $17. Probably already passed it. What numbers we got down here? 63. Is it going down? 61, yeah. Closer, getting closer. Cars up my ass. I did just say 17, didn't I? Yeah. We're a bit early. It's down here somewhere. Three, one. Some wood gardens, I think it's in here. Oh, maybe not. That's down here. Mead flat one. Hello, looking for flat one. Well, you're not. Forgot I left you running. Bournemouth Town Centre is just down to the left. Town Hall on the left. So we're heading home now for breakfast. Strip down what's in the back. We got some curtain track. Well, no, it's railing for the. They got these huge mirrored. They got these huge in that flat there. They had these huge mirrored, nasty mirrors, like sliding wardrobe doors. So I've taken those out and taken the track out, and I've got the metal track. It's fairly hefty stuff. I did check to see if it's aluminium. Oh, this could be fun. I might. I was going to say I might have gone left there, but I'm a white van man now. Don't let your standard slips. Don't still let them slip. Right. I'll speak to you all later on.